Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be replacing the factory incandescent fog light bulbs on this 2018 Chevrolet Colorado Z71 with our LED upgrades. Installation is plug and play and only requires basic hand tools, so you can easily do it at home in your garage. Let's get started. Now on the Colorado, we're starting on the passenger side. You can see that we've removed 3 T15 Torx screws right here, and that'll give us all the access we need to our factory fog light. For this shoot, we've actually removed a couple more, and that's strictly just to give us a better camera angle. Again, you only need to remove these 3 right here. So you'll simply reach in, grab your factory 5202 size bulb, and grab these 2 tabs. Now, if your truck is like ours, it takes a little bit of extra pressure to get that bulb loose. So once you've released the tabs, you can pull the bulb out. And then you'll depress at the top of the clip right up here. That'll release the stock bulb. That's our stock incandescent bulb. We can set that to the side. Take our 5202 size SLF LED replacement. Now this harness is going to plug directly into the factory wiring. So we'll simply take our factory wire, and that clips right in just like that. Then, just like we did to remove it, we'll depress the tabs on either side of the bulb, insert it into the housing, and that'll lock it into place. Before we button up the fender well, we're going to go ahead and test for function. If the SLF doesn't light up immediately, don't worry, you can simply pull that connection, flip your connector 180 degrees, and reconnect it. Once we know it's functioning properly, we'll put our 3 T15 Torx screws back in, move to the driver's side of the truck, and repeat all the same steps to finalize our installation. With our SLF LED fog light bulbs installed, this Colorado not only has substantially more usable light output from the fog lights at night, but a much more modern look that matches the overall appearance of this great looking truck. For more information on the SLF fog light bulb, click the link below or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.